now that the intake is out as well, you can see, as I put a light right here, you can see a lot more clearly, I definitely have some oil residue in there. All right, so now that we've got a clear look at your thermostat, you can see you've got 3 bolts. 1, 2, the second one is tucked behind this pipe right here. It's a little hard to see right for the moment. And then the third is actually all the way back behind here, and you're not going to be able to get to it until these are off. So now that the intake is out as well, you can see, as I put a light right here, you can see a lot more clearly, I definitely have some oil residue in there. So it's probably leaking here on this side from that back part of that gasket. So really no big deal. So a couple of things. If you have the S55, and you can see I tucked this hose back, this hard feed line actually has a reverse Torx bolt right here. You're going to want to take that out. If I remember correctly, it's a reverse 8mm, I believe. I'll double check here in a second. That'll give you a little bit of flexibility with this hose, and in this pipe, you can move it around and get to this post right here much more easily. Now again, I have the Mosselman thermostat, which I highly recommend. I've got a great install video for that, but if you still have the OEM, it's not going to be any different. You've got these 3 bolts, and you have this big long bolt that goes down through the center that is usually a 5mm Allen. This drives all the way down through the center and holds this collar in place and holds these hoses in place. Now, with the gaskets that you need, there's a big gasket for the back and 2 O-rings that you're going to replace on here. So at this point, what you're going to want to do is pack all down in here. Pack in rags, pack in paper towels, whatever you've got handy, because as soon as you pull this bolt and push these hoses down, or these pipes down, excuse me, you're going to get some oil that comes out. And the last thing you want to do when you're trying to clean up is make a mess. Okay, so go ahead and pack this area. Make sure that you don't get oil all over. If you have an S55, go ahead and pull this reverse Torx bolt right here, get this up and pull it out of the way a little bit. Then we're going to take both of these pipes and move them down.